Hello and welcome again. My name's Colin. I'm from DiviWebs, and today we're going to be talking about schema markup and what it is, what it does, and how it is good for your website, and especially on Google search results. So we're going to dive straight in and check out some decent tools, and it's coming right up. And welcome back once again. In today's lesson, like I said, we're going to be talking about schema markup and why it's good for your website, and we're going to check over some decent tools that we can use to do this, and we're going to add it to a WordPress website that I've created, which is just here. So this is the website that we've been created, and we're going to be looking to add schema markup to this site. The reason we add schema to a website is that so Google can understand it when it crawls the site. Now, there are many elements on a website that we want to mark up, especially when it comes to local SEO. This could be your business name, address, telephone number, opening hours, plus a lot more information. By adding schema, you can connect your website to your social media accounts as well as your Google My Business. And when this is all done and all brought together, Google can display these results when it's been crawled, your website. Okay, so in this case it's a local business, and we're going to head straight over to technicalseo.com. Now, once you're here, just click on the SEO tools, which will bring you to a page with various tools on here. So you've got robots, text tester, sitemap generator, mobile first index tool, friendly test. It's a good site to go out and check out. There are other tools. In today's lesson, we're just looking at the schema generator. So we're going to go to tool, and once we're here, we're going to click on the option here, and because we're a local business, we're going to go for the local business, but there are other schema markups that you can use, idea for videos, recipes, events, but in this case we're just going to go with the local business. And once we're here, we're greeted with this generator page here. So we're a local business, so if we click on here, it's asking what business type we are. So if your business type is not listed on here, then I would just type in this box up here and see what the generator comes up with. And in this case, we're a gym, so sports activity location, so we're going to go with this one here, right there. Okay, so basically, as we fill this form in, it's going to generate the code for us on the right hand side over here, and at the end of it, we're just going to highlight it and copy and paste this code into our WordPress website. So it's pretty straightforward. You know, the name of the business, the image URL, well, that will be your logo, and you can pick that up from your media library. So in this case, we are on our media library on the back end of WordPress. Click on the logo, and then the link will be down here. So then I will just copy that, head back over to the generator and paste it in there, and as you can see, as I've pasted it, it comes up in here. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the form and put everything in there, all your business information. I'm going to pull this from Google My Business listing. Okay, because our opening hours are different on certain days, so basically you would click on add opening hours, choose the days of the week. So in this case, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Them opening hours are all the same. Okay, and then I would come in here and add the times, and then because Saturday and Sunday are different, I'll just click again, add opening hours, and then I will just choose the day, which will be a Saturday. Okay, come out of there, and did it come in there? Do it again. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then for the Sunday, because that's different, we're going to add another separate one just there. Make sure we tick that again. That's it. And then what I would do now is go in and add the formats for the opening and closing times. Okay, social media profiles. What I would do now is add these. So if we was just going to add these three, and if we scroll down, we can copy and paste our social media profile URLs straight in here. Once we fill out all the address and everything, and the price range, telephone, the longitude and latitude geo coordinates will come in. So this will be highlighted, so you just click that to update it, and it will drop in the numbers for you. Okay, so I'm gonna, to save time, I'm gonna just dive in and add all the information and come straight back to you. Okay, so now I've filled everything in on the form. We're just going to copy this code here. So I'm just going to click on copy, and it's been copied to clipboard, and we're going to head over back on to WordPress. Now once we're back over to WordPress, head over to plugins, add new, and then type in header, footer, code manager, install it, activate it, and then we're going to be down here. It will show up on the left hand side, and then we're going to click on add new snippet. So once you click on add new snippet, you can give your snippet a name. We want it site wide. Don't want to exclude any pages or posts. I want it in the header and not the footer, definitely. 100% on all devices. And then basically what I would do now is paste that code in, which we've took off the schema markup, and then hit save. Now all our code is been added, we've hit save, we've applied schema across the whole of our website, and now we want to go and check, make sure it's running all good. So we're going to head over to structured data testing tool. Okay, and we're going to paste our URL in here. So we're just going to grab this, copy, and paste in here. And now we're going to run the test. Now I do understand that this site will be closing down for soon, and it will give you the information at the bottom right hand of this. And as expected, yeah, this tool is being shut down, and it will be moving to rich results test. Okay, so good thing is it's still working at the moment, but I would head over here if they're going to be shutting this one down. But schema's working absolutely fine. We've got no errors, we've got no warnings, everything is in here, which is excellent. The web page, yes, this is who we are. It's got all the information that we've put in. I'm just going to right click this and open a new tab for now, and then dismiss it. Okay, so that's brilliant. So it's all worked absolutely fine. All the code is down here. Okay, sports activity, and there's even more information there with our social profiles, all the information, price range, telephone, coordinates. Excellent. So that is one way of adding schema to your website, and let's just pop over to rich results just to make sure. And yes, and here we are. And again, same thing again, you would just paste in the URL into here. So just to save time, I did run it through rich results as well, and we're all good. As you can see, it's getting late here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And it's, you know, you've took something from it, and it's just another way of adding schema markup to your WordPress website. Okay, and don't forget the plugin. And I do know that there are plugins out there as well that you can use, but if you know, hopefully you've took something from this video, and we hope to see you again in the new up and coming videos from Divi Webs.